Did you know that there are two muscles in your body that directly affect the strength and the duration of your erections? And most men, they've never even heard of them. And you know what? The doctors never even mentioned them. And almost no fitness program in the world trains them. And here's the funny part. These muscles can be strengthened, just like your biceps, just like your chest. Just like any other muscle in your body. And when they get stronger, your erections can get stronger too. Now think about that for just a moment. Men spend their years looking for pills, looking for supplements, and looking for that next great miracle cure, while they completely ignore the two muscles that play a direct role in their erection quality. Today, I'm going to show you what those muscles are and exactly how to start training them. Now, the names of these muscles are the bulbocavernosus and the ischiocavernosus. And I know those names sound complicated. Fortunately, you don't have to remember them. You only need to understand what they do. The bulbocavernosus, that helps compress the base of the penis during the erection. And the ischiocavernosus, that helps keep the blood from leaving. Together, they help create firmness and help maintain rigidity. In other words, these two muscles are working during every strong erection that you have ever had. Now, normally I spend a lot of time talking about the science, but let's just keep this simple. Blood flows into the penis, and these muscles, they help keep it there. When they're strong, they do their job better. And when they're weak, well, they don't. And that's really all that you need to understand. When I first learned about these muscles, I was surprised. Like most men, I assumed that erections were mostly about age, hormone, and blood flow. I never considered that muscle strength would be part of that equation. So I started training them. And within a couple of weeks, I noticed a difference. Not because of a pill, not because of some new miracle supplement, just because I finally started training the muscles that I had ignored for years. Now, let me show you how you can do this. The foundation, that's the Kegel exercise. And most people know this as the exercise that they use to help stop the flow of urine. That part of the contraction, that works the front part of your pelvic floor. But for erection strength, we want to do more than that. We want a deeper contraction. Imagine starting the contraction at the front and then pulling it deeper, further back, all the way towards your tailbone. Think of it as a wave moving from the front of the pelvic floor all the way to the back. And when you feel a subtle tilt near your tailbone, you know you're engaging the muscles that we want to train. Tell you what, let's do one together right now. Yeah, right now. Contract the muscles as though you're stopping the flow of urine. Now go a little deeper. Pull the contraction further back towards your tailbone. Now hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release it. Congratulations. You just completed your first repetition. Now, most men watching this video, they have never done that before. Here's your starting program. Contract, hold for 5 seconds, release for 5 seconds. Now start slowly and build gradually. And train every other day. Remember, this is strength training, and muscles only get stronger when they're trained consistently. Now, here's the important thing. The exercise that I just showed you, that's only one piece of the puzzle. Breathing, mental state, organ health, circulation, and pelvic floor strength. These systems all work together. And that is why my complete program goes much deeper than Kegels alone. It teaches you how to improve all of these systems so they can work together as one integrated process. Now, if you want to learn the complete system, go down to the description below and click on the link. Read through the program, see exactly what's included, and then decide whether it's right for you. Now, before you leave, I want you to remember something. Most men will never discover these muscles, and most men, they're never going to train them. And most men never even realize that they exist. But now you know, and knowledge that only becomes power when you use it. So you found out today, and now you know what to do. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, because I release new tools and practices like this every week. Now, go down to that description below and click on that link, and I'll see you there.